Oh, I'm so sorry. I was gifted this for free. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. My name is Blessing. If you're coming across this channel for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do wait to click on the icon that says subscribe so you'll be part of the families. And for my returnees, you guys are amazing. I really do appreciate you guys. So I don't want this intro to be too long. Let's just dive into the video. So I've been busy for like 2 weeks now straight. I've been really busy. I haven't vlogged too much. Like I've not been vlogging the way I would usually do on my channel just because I've been busy. A whole lot has just been going on. I think the time I did a proper vlog was when I made this hair. After that time, I haven't been vlogging and it's not my fault, okay? It's not my fault and also my fault. So yeah, you guys have been really busy like I said, and also I really want to say a very big thank you to somebody so special. That's why I'm here. So 2020, I stumbled into one beautiful and amazing soul on here on YouTube when I was into sub for sub. All our goal then was watch hours, 4,000 watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers for those that haven't gotten all of that period. And so a lot was just surrounding, and boom, I got my 4,000 watch hours, and then I got demonetized because I wasn't consistent. No, I got my 1,000 subscribers and I didn't get my 4,000 watch hours because I wasn't consistent. I wasn't posting the way it should be. And this, all the people I was with at that time of the sub for sub, everybody got their monetization. Like everybody got monetized. Reason because you guys, I just moved to Dubai 2020. Upon my arriving in Dubai, within 2 months, the COVID happened and I didn't have anything to do. I didn't know what to do. Like it was just a whole lot. It was overwhelming. Like the whole stress was just too much on my side that I wasn't really concentrating on the YouTube. Well, it wasn't really all about the monetization thing. I was just on my own. I just wanted to build the community, do things, drop videos when I can, because I started the channel at a time on YouTube on in Malaysia, so where I basically do short videos. Like I was an hairdresser. I make hair for different nationalities: Pakistani, Indian, Thailand, Philippines, and all that. Just post my video and all that. That was all I was doing. So up until I moved down to Nigeria and relocated back to Dubai. So all of us in that circle, we even had a WhatsApp group at a time where we post our content. Like once we made a post, once we upload a video on our YouTube, we share the link on the WhatsApp group, and everybody go show their support, share on their community tab and all that. So yeah, and everybody was doing good except me and I think one other person. It wasn't because I wasn't okay, because I was not consistent. A whole lot was on my head as at that time. But one thing that shook me the more was this sweet soul. So she now reached out to me one time and she was like, Tush, what's up? Okay, the old channel name was Tush TV, so she used to call me Tushest. So she now called and was like, Tushest, how far now? You never stay monetized? I said no, and she asked for my Gmail. She asked if it was okay by me. I said yeah. She asked for my Gmail, and this woman single-handedly will live stream for me for like 10 good hours. She will live stream for me from more than 4 to 5 times, multiple times. I can't even remember now, but a whole lot of times she will go on live stream for me from her phone or her laptop. She will just do that for me, and that way I got my monetization. And I got my monetization, but I wasn't consistent with posting. Then I got demonetized, and after all of those stress, I got monetized again. I earned a little, then my channel got deleted. Then when that channel got deleted, I think 2022, yeah, 2022, I think so. And she was still the person I called, and when I called her, I told her this is what has happened, and she was like, Tush, you can do this. why not start again? And I started. So even that 2022, she was in Nigeria. She invited me to her sister's wedding. I went. That was when we actually met face to face. So I went to the wedding and she welcomed me wholeheartedly. It was like we've known each other for a very long time. And then I went back home, and ever since then we've just been, it's not like we've been chatting, talking, we call, it's not like we discuss our personal life to each other, nothing like that. But yeah, I know once in a while now, since I've been in Nigeria, I complain here and there to her, and she's one person that listen, give her own advice, and it's over. But we are not that, like, I don't know how well to explain, but yeah. So when I told her this is what has happened upon my channel being deleted on YouTube, she said, Tushes, you can do this. Why not create a new account? Tushes, why not create a new account? I created a new account and I started again, and which is this channel. Yeah, this channel is still behind. It's not monetized because of me. You guys, I'm in Nigeria. I didn't plan to come live in this country, and I'm here. This country is a whole lot of stress. It's just so much, like, there's just too much being in this country. So that's why this channel is still here, and which I'm grateful. I'm still, it's not just all about the money. Of course, money is involved. Money is why we are here, but I just like documenting my life here, because the old channel, I started it in Malaysia, so I didn't even know so much about it. I didn't know if they were making money from it. All I knew there was, because I'm an hairstylist, I make people's hair, I make a video and I post. You know how you make people's hair and video your work now? That's all I was doing there. And then before I now went into it proper, I started doing food content. I started doing sit down videos talking about Malaysia government and all of those things. Yeah, so then I started this one, which is still doing well. Yeah, and this time around she was around. She called, or she's still around. She called and she was like, oh, to share time around, when will you be chance so we can meet? Me, I was just like, okay, whenever your chance you can call me. And when she called, the date we fixed, we couldn't meet that day. The next day this lady called. She was like, 2 shares, I get what I won't give you, they come. Then I went to meet her where she said she was, and I got there. She bought me food. I ate. Me, her sister, and we both ate. And after eating, before we even started eating safe, she brought this thing out. You guys, this is massive. I don't know if she also gifted me cash. You guys, thank you. Are you seeing the name? Guys, I'm using the back camera. Are you seeing the name? This is it. This lady got me this, you guys, for free. It's not like I haven't done anything for her. I can't remember buying anything. I've not done anything for this lady, but she loved me. She just loved me. She just liked me. Let me use the word like. She got me this, you guys. This is massive. Funny enough, I came to Nigeria with microphone. Those are our normal K9 wire microphone. I even did an unboxing when I got it on my channel here. It was working. I still have it here. Let me show you guys. This is the charger. You can still see this stuff. I already removed this one here. You can still see it. You can still see the paper stuff here. I just removed the other one now. I didn't even know I wasn't recording. Are you guys seeing it? This is a brand new stuff that I was using in Dubai. Upon arriving here, it stopped working. And I don't know how she knew. Of course she knew, because she watches my video probably, and she saw that I was lacking this. I was even wanted to get this. I think I even told my friend in Italy. I think I told her, oh, I wanted to order this in Temu, and I will love her to help me order it. And she was like, okay. She hasn't done it. So I was trying to send her some of the things I would want, like I would want her to help me order from Temu, because there's no way I could pay from Nigeria, and I don't have a dollar account. And this lady, this thing is expensive, you guys. This thing is expensive. She did say, okay, let her get me the K9 wireless, which I would have still appreciated. Of course, it's a gift. It's also very expensive. Anybody will give you $1 now, 50 cents. Now money, you got to be very grateful, because I've been there. I know how it is to make 15 naira, And I was gifted this for free. You guys, look at what this lady gifted me. Are you seeing it? You guys, this thing came. Look at this. I'm going to make a proper unboxing video with this, you guys. It came with the guide, the letter, the guide, and you know how to go about it. This is the 4, this is the charger, and you guys, this is the ogak bata of them all. Are you guys seeing it? I don't know if you guys are seeing it, you guys. This is it. We couldn't even make a video because we were in a restaurant and it was just a whole lot. You guys, this lady got me this. Voila, she got me this. She got me this. I don't know if it's even focusing. I don't know if you guys are seeing it properly. I don't even know where to put it because I'm using the back camera and I don't like, I'm not seeing myself. You guys, this lady got me a whole lot of this. This thing is expensive. It's not cheap. It's expensive. Renoma's Empire, thank you. Please, you guys, help me go tell Renoma's Empire, thank you. Our YouTube link will be in the description box and also on this video's comment section. Thank you so much, sis. I really do appreciate. God bless you, bless your family. Thank you. I'm an emotional person. Like, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh shit. Oh, I'm so sorry, you guys. Sis, thank you. Thank you so much. Like, you know how it feels when you've known, like, we're not friends. I know now she's more like a sister, but this is so much. This is a whole lot. Thank you so much, sister. Please, you guys, help me to go there. Thank you. Go and help me to tell her thank you. Tell her I sent you. Okay, when you get there, just tell her Tush sent you, Tushe sent you, because this channel name now is different. But yeah, help me to say thank you to her. She got all of this for me. This is not cheap, you guys. This is not cheap. Thank you so much, sis. So I'm gonna be making a proper unboxing video for you guys. Okay. So the day we met, I got this thing. I was even at the market where I was buying this slide when she called me, and I needed slide. It's not like I don't have slide. Even my friend's sister that I told you guys came around, I think in my last vlog that I said is around, she even got me slide. Very cute one. Is a rubber one that I can wear. You guys know that Benin right now, like Nigeria, it's rainy season now and everywhere is mud. Like all my slides, they don't spoil. So I got this. She got me that one. I think maybe I'll go show you guys before I end this vlog video. I got this one. It's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. It's very beautiful. It's so cute. Very cute. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. Very cute. This is what it looks like. This is the back. This is the back. It's so cute. Up close, this is it. This is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. And yeah, and also our business is still going on, you guys. Chantelosas collections is still going on. I might even change. I don't know if I'm changing my YouTube name, but I just want to get monetized before I know. So yeah, I made this dress for myself and it's also on sale just in case you need it. Yeah, it's on sale, so I'm gonna be wearing it. I have a wedding to attend, so it's also on sale. You want it in this Ankara, this print, and another print. So this is the tie, the scarf, yeah, and this is the belt. Yeah, so you guys, that's practically it. I just let me, you know, come up here to show you guys and also to tell you guys I've been so busy. That's why I've not been uploading. But right now I think I'm okay. I think I'm in my right senses. But you guys, yeah, filming in Nigeria is not easy, honestly speaking. But right now that I now have a microphone, because honestly sometimes I really want to film the noise, but now I have a microphone, not just a microphone. Are you seeing it? Hollyland. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.